In this tutorial, we will cover order of operations in Excel. Please open a blank workbook. Formulas can contain several values. These can range from static numbers, just your regular numbers. Go and click in cell A1 and type in 2. Press your tab key, and in B1, type in 3. Hit your tab key. You'll see those are just your static numbers that you'll put in there. You can also put in your formulas cell references. So you can reference cell A1 or you can reference cell B1 as you're working with information, or you can reference multiple cells, which gives you your cell reference with a colon in between them to indicate them. There are also your operators. These are your different tools you'll use to do mathematical work in Excel, like the multiplication sign that's used with the asterisk, the plus sign that's used for addition, or other symbols. You can also use functions as you'll work with in Excel. You'll see some of them up at the top here in your function library on your formula ribbon. These include the sum function and the average function. When you combine several operations and functions into a single formula, Excel performs the operation in a predetermined order known as the order of operations. When a formula contains several operators that have the same precedence, Excel calculates the formulas from left to right. You can change the order by enclosing parts of the formulas you want in a set of parentheses to tell Excel to calculate those first. Back in school, you might have had your teacher give you a couple of letters. P, E, M, D, A, S. PEMDAS. Sometimes referred to the memory device. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The P stands for parentheses. Anything that's in parentheses is done first in Excel. The E stands for exponents, usually shown by the Shift 6 key, the little hat character on there, such as if you're using 2 to the second power, it would be the 2 and the up arrow 2. Then there's multiplication, of course, which uses the asterisk sign. Division uses the slash sign. Then, of course, there's addition and subtraction. And that will help you determine the results of what you're working with. So let's practice with a static formula. Go and click in cell A3, type in equal, and type in 4 asterisk 3 plus 2. Now, you can look at the order operation on there, but take a guess of what the answer would be before you hit enter. Hopefully you've taken your guess. Let's hit enter, and you'll see the result is 14. So what happens is, following the order operations, there's no parentheses, there's no exponents. Excel runs up and says, oh, I need to do multiplication first. So it multiplies the 4 times 3, which gives us 12, and then adds it to 2. Now, if I typed in equal 2 plus 3 times 4, that looks almost the same. It's just in the reverse order. Take your guess of what the answer would be to that. Let's hit enter, and again you'll see it's 14. Even though you have the 2 plus 3 first, it goes in order of the order of operation, so it takes care of the multiplication. Then it takes care of the addition. If you want to change the order, you can press the F2 key on your keyboard, and let's do the P on there. We'll put the parentheses after the 3 and open it before the 2. So this tells Excel to do the 2 plus 3 first and then multiply it by 4. Hit enter, and you'll see now we get 20 because it tells Excel to first add them together and then multiply them. So that ends up with the 20. Just understand that's the difference of calculations for your order of operations.